Food is so much more than just a gateway to weight loss, and it is so much more than just counting calories and kilojoules as a way to get to weight loss. If you minimize food and make it in turn into that it's just a way to lose weight, or try to figure out how to stay at a certain weight or weight gain, you can develop eating disorders. Whereas food is so much more than just that. Food can be, I don't know, an iced coffee that you really enjoy every now and then. I know I do. I always feel like it's a luxury because I don't drink caffeine as much. Not because I'm like I have a ritual that I shouldn't. I just don't, because I don't really want to and I don't feel the need to, so I don't. But it's just something that I enjoy and that makes my day so much better because I think it tastes amazing. And in turn with that, food is so much more than just counting calories, because it's also partly there to aid you in living a healthy lifestyle. Like, these things are the building blocks for your lifestyle. They're not just numbers. It does really matter what you put into your system in the long run. You might not feel it in the short run, but if you, like, for example, eat a low carbohydrate diet, cutting out dietary fiber will have a massive effect on your gut and your microbiota, all of the bacteria, which is perfect for you. You don't aid them, you don't help them grow, you don't help them in a more effective direction so that they can aid you the way that they were supposed to do. And we have so many gut biotas that, or microbiome as you would call them, that they're so individual to you. They might even be more individual than your fingerprint. Which is crazy because we have so many of them. So if you just look at food and making food all about a specific diet, and the specific diet all about losing weight, you will miss out on the point that food is there to one, establish a healthy lifestyle, and two, provide you with experiences, sensoric feelings like in your mouth or your smell, provide those great moments. The other thing that they can create is helping you establish a relationship with other people through food and opening up cultural experiences. Food is not just there as a thing to be modified for weight loss. Food is so much more. Food is culture, experience, taste, luxuries. I'm gonna pull up my iced coffee again. But it can also be modified to earn certain things, like earn a specific presentation for sports, to swim a bit faster, to run a bit faster, to lift a bit heavier. It can also be to increase your weight and decrease your weight, but that is just a single tiny thing in the entire picture. So please take food for what it is and don't diminish it, because yes, while we tend to advise that people should eat more fruit and veg, don't cut out your pizza. There is space for pizza. There is space for sweets. There's space for snacks. There's space for crisps. There's space for chips, whatever you call them. There's space for it all. It's all about moderation, and food is there to be enjoyed. So please don't make it all homogeneous and just make life incredibly horrendous by forcing yourself to eat something you don't really enjoy and saying it's for the sake of health, because health is also mental. So please have a holistic approach to food. That's my tip of the day, I think.